Today I'm going to show you how to clean money, wash money. I have some warm water and just regular dish detergent, and I'm going to throw the money in there. You don't have to wear gloves. If you don't have gloves, you can just wash your hands with soap and water for the 20 seconds like we're supposed to do after we touch anything. So, money is very durable, and it can take being wet and dry. It can take being washed in the washing machine as well. And after I wash it, I'm going to put it in that bowl. Just want to wipe all the surfaces down just like anything you're trying to clean really well. Get all the corners. When you're done with your water, I would recommend dumping this down the toilet and then putting some rinse water in here and swishing it around and flush it down the toilet again. And then you want to wash your pot that you use or container, sink, whatever you use. Wash it down with soap and water or disinfectant if you have it. You can either put water in your rinse bucket, or if you wanted to, you could run it under running water. Just clean your sink really well when you're done. And there you go, you can just lay it out to dry. Just like that. You can do coins in the same way. Wash both sides of the coin like that and rinse it off just like you did your paper money. Or you can also put your coins in alcohol and let them sit for 5 minutes, and then you can just let them dry. If you wanted to, you can rinse them off. I say 5 minutes. That's probably longer than is necessary because the CDC says we can disinfect things with alcohol. If you're lucky enough to have alcohol or bleach, you can also spray your money with that. Alcohol, you spray at full strength. Bleach, I mix 10 parts water and 1 part bleach, which is a little stronger than what the CDC says. Leave the bleach or alcohol on for 3 minutes. You can just rinse it in a bowl of water, or you can rinse it under running water. You can also spray your coins with alcohol or bleach. Just spray them on both sides. Let them sit at least 3 minutes. I'm going to let them set for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to rinse them off the same way that I did the dollar bills. If you're one of the lucky ones to have Lysol wipes, and we are lucky, we got 1 container, and that was already a month into the coronavirus. So mid-April is when we got 1 container. But if you have these, we treat them like gold because we have so few. But lay your money on a flat surface and you can wipe it down with the wipes. Just like if you were wiping down your groceries. Same thing, it's paper. The Lysol wipe or the sanitizing wipe, disinfecting wipe won't hurt the money. Just make sure whatever you're disinfecting with is approved by the CDC. You can clean your coins with a disinfecting wipe as well. You just have to wipe them down, wipe the edges and the flat surfaces as well. Again, act like you're wiping down your groceries. Do it in the same way. I'd recommend not drying your money outside in case a swift wind comes along and there goes your clean money. Don't forget to clean and disinfect everything you use to clean the money with. If you used a sponge, don't use your dish sponge. Use the same sponge every time and don't use it for anything else. And there we go, how to clean money. You can wash it with soap and water. You can spray it with bleach or alcohol, diluted bleach or alcohol, and you can clean it with the Lysol wipe. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and check back. I put up new videos all the time. Thank you.